أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Ismail Adaramola with you. My today's lecture is about الهدي النبوي صلى الله عليه وسلم في تدبير الطعام والشراب. The guidance of Holy Prophet Muhammad صلى الله عليه وسلم on how to eat and drink. A Muslim should drink and eat according to perfection and tradition of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm talking of Sunnah to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, eating and drinking. Number one, if you want to follow the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam guidance in eating and drinking, you should know that you have to follow his whole tradition. Number one, غسل اليدين قبل الطعام وبعده. You have to wash your hands, two hands, before you start eating and after. When you finish. And you try to, you must mention the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And so many other prayers as well. يستحب للمسلم غسل اليدين قبل الطعام وبعده. Muslims should wash their hands before eating and after eating. There is one and Anas bin Malik رضي الله تعالى عنه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال من أحب أن يدخل الله خير بيته وليتوضأ إذا حضر غزاه وإذا رفع. رواه ابن ماجه والبيهقي. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if you like that Almighty Allah will put more blessing at your home, try to, perform wudu. Wash your hand before eating and after. So Rawahu Ibn Majah wal Bayhaqi. Again, there is one, from doctor. When we are talking of medical doctor, they have some guidance for us. If you check with journal number 6, which is 5th edition. Which also it was produced in 1996. 1976. الطبية في ضوء الإسلام حضارة الإسلام. They taught us some very important issues about when Muslim is eating. When Muslim eating, you should try to follow the guidance of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You should cover your plate before eating, and when you finish, try to make it neat. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he finished eating, for instance, when he sits for eating, he sits properly. And also try, when you finish eating, not to go to bed immediately. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam nahana an nawm mubakkara ba'da at-ta'am. You should not go to bed immediately after you finish eating. You should wait, because that can affect your body. It will disturb your body. Sometimes it will even disturb your mind, and it creates a lot of trouble for you, medically, even Islamically, and even traditionally. Even when we are talking of nature of human being, it's not allowed you to do so. Try to avoid such things. As I say, furthermore, when you are eating, try to eat from halal source. Because if you need your dua to be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, try to look for halal food. That's why you need to work hard. Halal is the one we are looking for. Try to avoid any kind of haram. So that it is also for you. When you are eating, for instance, this is tamr. When we are talking of tamr, take it with your right hand and eat it. This is very, very, even according to Tibbu Nabawi, it is very, very effective for body. Shaitan cannot disturb you when you are eating tamr. At least 7 maybe. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 every day. It is very interesting. You should try to look for it. It is sunnah in eating as well. So eat it and try to make sure when you are eating, let your plate be clean. Some people, they are wasting food. Almighty Allah never ever encourage wastage of food. Inna Allah Allah says in the Quran, بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا. Those who are trying to extravagant, they are family of shaitan. May Allah protect us to be family of shaitan. May Allah protect us. أعوذ بالله, to be family of shaitan. So when you eat properly. Some people, they eat something, very few, then they look, many people are there, they don't have what they do to eat. Some having, but they do not have enough food. So you should try to look for best way of your life and to help people in eating, in drinking, and don't drink alcoholic thing because that destroy your mind. Do not drink anything. Kullu muskirin khamrun wa kullu khamrin haram. Whatever can destroy your mind, it will consider as khamr. So khamr means like beer. It is against Islam. So whatever can disturb your mind, you should try to avoid it. It's not part of Islam. May Allah forgive us and be with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.